Quite a difference between today and yesterday. Yesterday we saw record-breaking temperatures and strong storms. Now today, dealing with strong winds and colder temperatures, definitely feeling a lot more like February. Right now, we're in the upper 30s, but in just a few hours, we'll see feels like temps in the mid-teens. It's gonna feel downright cold. However, this will not be our air temperature, but still, a cold afternoon and evening is on the way. Yesterday, we saw that high of 73 degrees, and today our high was at midnight last night with temperatures in the 50s and the 60s. Not the case right now. A lot of us in the 30s and the 40s already seeing a few 20s starting to develop already, but along with these cold temperatures, tracking some strong winds coming in from the west and the northwest. Around 35, 40, even 40-mile-an-hour gusts are expected throughout this afternoon, this evening, and also into those overnight hours. But widening out the bigger picture, you can see most of the state is fairly quiet. However, we're watching a few showers off to our east and also our southeast. And just off to our northwest, they're dealing with some snow. There is a chance for a few flurries, a few light raindrops possible throughout the rest of the day, but nothing compared to what we saw last night and even earlier this morning. Just a little bit of precipitation here and there. Otherwise, just dealing with cloudy skies and those colder temperatures. Heading home from school and work this afternoon and this evening, things overall fairly cloudy, fairly cold, and will continue to cool back down to the mid-20s throughout tonight. But in fact, could see some mostly clear skies throughout those nighttime hours. However, not lasting long, seeing mostly cloudy skies at times, but again, that mixture of sunshine and clouds is possible early tomorrow morning, but still, it's going to be cold. Air temperatures in the low to mid 20s, but again, feeling into the teens. So taking the kids to school tomorrow, have that jacket ready to go. We'll slowly warm up throughout the afternoon, back to the upper 30s and the low 40s, but then those 50s will return as we head on into Friday. But still, Friday morning will be chilly, but then slowly warming back up, finally back to those 50s right around Friday afternoon, and still seeing on and off clouds and sunshine Thursday and Friday. But let's go ahead and fast forward to the weekend. It's looking beautiful. Lots of sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. And in fact, we could break some record highs, not only for the weekend, but also into Monday as well. Most of Monday will be fairly dry, but then watching that chance for some rain late Monday into Tuesday, also into Wednesday, and temperatures will start to dip back down to the low to mid 50s, but that's still technically above average for the beginning of March.